And we have Susan and Tammy joining us now from the Beaumont Health and Wellness Clinic. Thanks for being here, both of you. Now, this is a good time, of course. We were just talking about the kiddos getting ready for dental and things like that, but we're going to focus on adults right now. And if you can, Susan, kind of define adult medicine for us.
Adult medicine is like an internal medicine doctor would see, or I can only see children past a certain age, over 18.
Okay, so you kind of focus on that. And actually, tell us where the clinic is located in case someone's not familiar with it.
Okay, we're located on Dallin Road, 229 Dallin, Suite 13B. It's the Oak Shopping Center where World Gym and Basic Foods are.
Okay, and what exactly with the clinic, let's kind of touch on a little bit about what actually you do there.
We can see patients for a variety of things, for just a well checkup. We can do the physicals, we return to work physicals if they've been out of work for a few days, but also treat the high blood pressure, high cholesterol, the upper respiratory infections, all the routine things that a general practitioner would see.
Okay, and you're also doing things like microdermabrasion and kind of helping out with people in that area too.
Yes.
And that's and Tammy, you're involved with being an esthetician. Thanks for being here. So you do actually those types of things for patients.
Yes.
Then?
Yes.
Okay.
I do the microderm and chemical peels.
So those are things that obviously people kind of depend on different patients. I guess you think, well, am I actually a candidate for that? Is it kind of work like that? Like they would need to come talk to you about it?
Right, they would need to come in for a consult, absolutely.
Okay, and as far as we were talking about kind of overall things, you mentioned blood pressure, things like that. Also weight loss, which Tammy is a great story for. So can you kind of introduce us to that part of it as well?
Sure, sure. We offer several weight loss programs. We do a comprehensive physical exam and nutritional counseling, as well as appetite suppressants if indicated, or we're familiar with HCG and the use of that. And we have several success stories like Tammy, who she got serious in January and she's lost 46 pounds and doing real well.
Wow.
So
Tell me a little bit about that, Tammy, about actually getting on a program. How do you think that helped you?
You just have to get it in your mind. You have to decide that it's a lifestyle change, not just a diet. And then you just do it, just stick with it. That's all I can say for people, is just stick with it.
Kind of that makes sense, that good point that you made, being mental and really just focusing on, this is really what I'm going to do, changing things.
Right, right. And it makes, and it helps, once you...
And we give you a lot of tools.
There's a lot of tools, a lot of reading material to kind of help you along, and they're a very good support system.
And I know that's a big part too, is really like you're mentioning, someone sticking to it, but also kind of realizing the support, realizing maybe that they can get through that, and that's good that you actually have a program that kind of helps them keep on track, I guess.
Right. We're there, if nothing else, for encouragement, but also to reinforce maybe something we've given you that you looked at and forgot about, or look at things again, or help you with your diaries or whatever you need to do.
Which I imagine is important too, kind of helping you keep a diary and things like that. Now, what about if different kinds of things and insurance and things, should a patient just call if they have questions on, well, I want to see, but I'm not sure about all those kind of details?
Sure. Actually, we do not accept insurance at this time, but you can use your health savings account or flexible spending account for a lot of our services, and they'll be covered. We can also give you any kind of detailed receipt you needed to file with your insurance if you came and saw us for some other reason.
Okay. Now, today's interview, of course, we're kind of touching on the several things that actually the Beaumont Health and Wellness Clinic can do for you. So hopefully we'll have you on again in the future, maybe kind of go into more detail. But the information, of course, is on your screen. Easy to find as well. Just a simple phone call, too.
Right. We have a website. You can go to that and look at all the services we offer, including the Botox and fillers to complement our microdermabrasions and skincare products. So very comprehensive. We would just want you to feel good and look good.
Great. Perfect. We love that. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Stay with us. We'll be right back.